Hi kabahay, hanap mo ba ay flood-free community? Well, andito ka na sa Mangoville, located in Barangay Salitran, Dasmariñas, Cavite. This property is a townhouse unit with lot area of 80 square meters and floor area of 84 square meters. Meron ka ng 2 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath, complete finish ang turnover, and syempre meron tayong included na fencing gate upon turnover. Tara, check natin ang ating property. So before we enter mga kabahay, let's appreciate the exterior of our property. So meron tayo ditong doorbell on the side. Ang ating gate po is also included. Ang parking area po is kaya mag-accommodate ng SUV size na sasakyan. Nakasement na po ang turnover nito, and then meron tayo ditong provision for your drainage system. And then ang ating paint po ng ating exterior walls, as you can see, very minimalist po but neutral. So on this area naman mga kabahay, as you can see, elevated po ang ating porch area. So ang ating windows po is made of awning. So tara, pasok naman tayo dahil ang ating pong main door is made of wood naman. Meron tayo ditong living area. As you can see, free layout po tayo dito. So ito pong ating flooring is made of 60 by 60 na tiles. Ang ating pong ceiling is ready na rin po. And then this side naman po is the dining area. This one naman is the kitchen area. So sa kitchen area, as you can see, meron tayong built-in cabinets over and under. Naka-kitchen countertop tayo made from granite. And then meron tayo dito toilet and bath sa ating ground floor. Tara kabahay, check natin ang ating service area. So sa service area, makikita nyo, napakaluwag pa ng extra space natin dito. So pwede kayo maglagay dito ng isang bedroom sa ating ground floor. So pwedeng maging room po ito for your elders if you have one. So ito po ay talagang preferred para sa inyo. Nahirap umakyat sa ating second floor. Let's check the second floor mga kabahay. So as you can see, ang ating staircase is made of wood and meron tayo ditong metal railings. Makikita nyo maganda ang lighting dito dahil meron tayong awning window, additional accent. And pwede kayong maglagay dito ng chandelier sa staircase area. So dito sa second floor mga kabahay, we have a total of 2 bedrooms and 1 common toilet and bath. So this is the bedroom number 1. Tara, check natin. So dito sa bedroom number 1, makikita nyo mga kabahay, may provision tayo for window type aircon, malaking window, and then syempre included din po ang ating built-in cabinet sa turnover. Ang ating flooring is made from tiles and ang design po nito is like wood. So tara, check natin ang kabilang room. Before we check our master's bedroom mga kabahay, check natin ang ating common toilet and bath sa second floor. So as you can see, ang ating common toilet and bath is merong floor-to-ceiling na tiles. Meron na rin itong complete fixtures, shower head, toilet seat, and lavatory. Meron din kasamang exhaust fan upon turnover. Dito naman tayo mga kabahay sa master's bedroom. So before we enter, meron tayo ditong malaking built-in cabinets na included sa turnover. So on this area naman, meron tayong provision for your vanity area. So lalagyan na lang dito ng malaking mirror. So we proceed dito sa side na to. So meron tayong additional window, which is awning. Meron tayong provision dito for split type aircon. And syempre, as you can see, malaki po ang space natin sa window area. So pwede nyo i-open to optional. And then this one, kaya po nito mag-accommodate ng double to queen size bed. So option nyo po kung ano ang preferred yung size ng inyong bed frame. Nagustuhan mo ba ang ating property viewing ngayon mga kabahay? If you are interested to view this property, please send us a message dahil 2 units left dito sa Mangoville, Dasmariñas, Cavite. Send us a message at 0916-518-4710. Again, this is Von Tapawan of Exusio Properties, your PRC, and this is the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching, kabahay.